Do you like to learn about the coronavirus? Then this is the video for you. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Let's go forward. Before going to coronavirus, first we'll see what is a virus. Virus is considered as the smallest living unit. The Greek meaning of virus is poison. It's a package of genetic information protected by a protein shell. It is delivered into a host cell to be expressed and then it gets replicated. Now let's see the structure of a virus. A virus contains a nucleic acid core comprising DNA or RNA. Keep in mind that it does not contain both DNA and RNA. It contains either DNA or RNA. Those can be in single or double-stranded form. This is the genome of the virus. The nucleic acid core is surrounded by a protein capsid which is made up of multiple capsomeres. Nucleic acid core and capsid together is called as the nucleocapsid. In some viruses, the capsid is surrounded by an envelope derived from the host cell membranes, but some viruses do not have such an envelope. Viruses have an obligate intracellular replication. They lack cell walls. Antibacterials have no effect on them. We have to treat them with antivirals. Viruses are sensitive to interferons. Nucleocapsids have different shapes. They can be icosahedral, which is cubic shape. As an example, herpes viruses are icosahedral viruses. They can be helical or complex also. Influenza viruses are helical and pox viruses have complex shapes. When it comes to coronavirus, it has a helical-shaped nucleocapsid. It is an enveloped virus. There are glycoprotein spikes on its surface. They give a crown-like appearance to the virus. Corona is the Latin word for crown. That is how it has got its name. Coronaviruses are pleomorphic. They are single-stranded RNA viruses. They belong to the family Coronaviridae. There are two types of coronaviruses. They are human coronavirus and animal coronavirus. Therefore, coronavirus can infect both humans and animals. Coronavirus can cause upper respiratory tract infections, giving rise to symptoms like runny nose, common cold, cough, shortness of breath, sore throat, and fever. Sometimes it causes lower respiratory tract infections, resulting pneumonia. This is more common with cardiopulmonary diseases, immunocompromised patients, or in elderly. There are several types of coronaviruses which may lead to pandemics. SARS coronavirus. The extended form of this is severe acute respiratory syndrome. It was first recognized around November 2002 from China and it is believed that it was emerged from bats. MERS coronavirus. The extended form is Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. It was first reported in Saudi Arabia around 2012. New COVID-19, which is the cause for the current pandemic around the world, was first reported in December 2019. Still, there are no clear data about its origin. Coronavirus has a high mutation and recombination rate. Therefore, it can cross species barriers and get adapted to new hosts. The virus can transmit from an infected person to others via droplets and also it can get deposited on the surfaces nearby. Viruses are heat labile. They are killed in seconds at about 56 Celsius, but they are stable at low temperatures. Also, they are inactivated by UV rays and ionizing radiation. They are more resistant to chemical disinfectants than bacteria. But hydrogen peroxide, KMNO4, hypochlorite, iodine and alcohol are effective. Especially enveloped viruses are susceptible to organic solvents. As coronavirus is an enveloped virus, you can easily get rid of that by using a hand sanitizer. Washing your hands with soap or hand wash is also an important measure. Make sure to wear your mask at outside and stay home safely. So this is the end of the video today. Hope to meet you from another video like this. Thank you.